Looks like Barkeeper's friend liquid and Windex combo is no longer helping with cleaning the Cybertruck steel body. One of the owners said he washed the truck and dried it well, then he tried the Barkeeper's friend liquid and Windex. The first panel turned out great. However, there are spots on other places where he can see streaks, patches, and they look bad. The owner tried to go back with Barkeeper's friend liquid and Windex over them again and it doesn't help. Windex typically contains ammonia, which degrades the surface passivation layer of stainless steel. We advise against using anything containing ammonia on stainless steel. Instead of Barkeeper's friend, Tesla recommends Citrus Earth 77 and Blue Scotch Bright Pad and then rinse off with water. Multiple owners have pointed out that Barkeeper's friend liquid and Windex combo is no longer working on the truck as it leaves streaks and patches.